Hello everyone! Today I have an updated no foundation daily makeup routine. I'm featuring all of my absolute favorite summer makeup products and I've been using them every single day. By wearing less makeup, my skin feels so amazing, lightweight, and fresh even on hot and humid days. To match, I also created this extremely simple braided updo that's perfect for daily wear even during the summer. This is one of my favorite summer hairstyles that I've ever done, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. So to start, I'm beginning with my favorite sunscreen for the summer. The Unseen sunscreen from Supergoop is a huge favorite. It has a silicone feeling texture that absorbs really quickly into the skin, leaving an extremely soft canvas to be worn alone or with makeup. It also doesn't feel greasy like most other sunscreens do. This is actually my secret product to wearing no foundation because it works really well to blur my pores, and it's nice to even wear it alone. Next is another amazing discovery. This is the Don't Settle concealer from Kaja. Kaja is one of my favorite brands and I love almost everything that they put out. This concealer is one of my favorites. It's so lightweight that it feels like my own skin and like I don't have any makeup on at all. The secret to wearing no foundation is to just spot conceal redness and imperfections with concealer instead. So for me, I'm just applying a very light layer around my nose, on my chin, around my lips, under my eyes, and anywhere else I need just a quick dab of product. The point of this method isn't to completely mask all of your imperfections like wearing foundation, it's just to brighten up and tone up your skin. And you can see how this product so easily melts in with the skin for a natural look. And wearing only a bit of concealer compared to a full face of BB cream or foundation on a hot day is seriously a lifesaver, especially because when I'm going out, I'm always wearing a mask, and I just want to minimize the amount of face product I'm wearing because it always gets a little bit messy underneath. For blush, I'm using the Serum Drop Blush from M Cosmetics in the color Cherry Splash. This is the entire collection of their Season 2 launch with 4 different colors. Cherry Splash is my favorite out of the 4 because it's a bold red that's perfect for a youthful look. I'm dabbing this on the high points of my cheeks and on my nose for a youthful look, and you can use your fingers to blend it out, but I'm just going to continue using my beauty blender for ease. This product is extremely pigmented, so it's best to start light and build your way up, and I layered twice for the perfect flush of color. The Serum Drop is seriously such an amazing product because it wears more like skincare with all of its benefits rather than heavy makeup, and again, we're just trying to keep things lightweight for the summer. It also has such an amazing dewy finish while letting natural skin shine through. For eye makeup, I'm going to gloss over this pretty quickly because there's nothing too different from my usual look and neither am I really using new products, but as usual, I'm going into my favorite eyeshadow trios. These are the Beauty Bento eyeshadows from Kaja. I'm dipping into a white shimmer in the Chocolate Dahlia trio and applying this over my entire eyelid, and then using an angled eyeliner brush, I'm dipping into a medium shimmery brown in the Toasted Caramel trio to line closely to my lash line and then flicking it out into a slight wing. Then as usual, I'm curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. For my lips, I found the most perfect summer duo. These are the True Gloss and Lip Gloss from M Cosmetics. The True Gloss is the red one and it's the perfect hybrid between a lip color and a lip gloss. It's super pigmented and glossy at the same time, but it's never sticky or uncomfortable. The color Blood Moon is this perfect blend between orange and bright red and is my favorite lip color this summer because it matches so perfectly with my bright orange hair. And because you can never have too much lip gloss, I'm layering the Morning Dew lip gloss on top. This is my favorite lip gloss in the entire world. It glides so effortlessly over your lips to give a flawless, ultra high shine, and it kind of even fills in the lines of your lips to make it look super plump and flawless. Honestly, it looks like someone just photoshopped your lips because it is unreal how beautiful this lip gloss is. And that is it for my updated daily makeup routine with no foundation and all of my favorite new summer products. And then let's move on to our hair. This look is so simple and easy to do. It really only takes 5 minutes and all you need are a few clear elastic hair ties, no bobby pins necessary. I've already brushed my hair and I'm splitting it straight down the center in the back. I'm starting off with a regular French or Dutch braid and working down until I reach the nape of my neck. Here, I want to secure this as low and tight as possible with a clear elastic. Then I'm going to finish braiding my hair with a regular 3-strand brand. Leaving about 2 inches of hair at the end, I'm taking another clear elastic and tying it tightly. On the last tie, I don't want to pull the end of the hair completely through, so there's a little loop left over. This really helps to tuck in the ends of the hair and to prevent it from poking out of our hairstyle. Then taking our braid, you just want to fold it over itself once, then twice, until it looks like this. So in total, you'll have a 3-layer braid sandwich. Then taking another clear elastic, I'm securing this right in the center and tying it tight. It may not look like it, but this hairstyle is actually extremely secure as long as your hair ties are tight, and you can always make it more secure by adding more clear elastics. Then I'm just repeating on the other side. At the end, I finished with a quick spritz of hairspray just for good measure, but honestly, it wasn't really necessary. I'm doing a little shake test to show you guys that it's very secure and it checks out. For accessories, I have 2 different types of clips with the same beautiful pearl flower. I have a duckbill style clip and a claw style clip. This is optional, but you can use any sort of claw to hide the elastic in the center of the braids. This claw style clip was really easy to just pin in the center, and then I'm just finishing off with some matching duckbill clips in the front. As always, a hairstyle has an infinite amount of possibilities by how you choose to accessorize, so have fun with it and be creative. So that's it for this quick and easy summer braided updo. Altogether, between my makeup routine and this hairstyle, everything is extremely cute but practical at the same time. It's easy to wear and it's perfect for the summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time.